Greetings, Dr. Mark Winton here from the University of Central Florida, Department of Criminal Justice, and in this short video I'd like to focus our attention on nanoweapons. I'll be relying completely on Louis A. Del Monte's excellent book, Nanoweapons, A Growing Threat to Humanity. And this came out in 2017, published by Potomac Books. I've read this a couple times, and it's pretty intense when you think about the implications of it. So, nanoweapons pose a serious risk to our security, not only nationally, but worldwide. And of course, nanotechnology has many benefits. There's a lot of nanotechnology is used to make all kinds of products. Nanotechnology may save us from serious medical disorders. In the same scenario, we may find that nanotechnology could kill millions. One of the big problems, and when I first started reading about nanoweapons, I had not really heard of this before, and that's primarily because much of the information about nanoweapons is classified. And we actually have a nanoweapon arms race, as Del Monte points out, between the United States, China, and Russia. And the big issue is going to be who controls these weapons. According to Del Monte, by 2050, and I quote from page 8, artificial intelligent self-replicating nanobots will become a reality. So basically, again, I'll read that again because it sounds like science fiction, but it's not. Artificial intelligent self-replicating nanobots will become reality. And as I mentioned, there are many nanoparticles and nanoproducts that are used. Some may be toxic. But what basically is this whole thing? Now, I'm not going to get into the biological, chemical aspects of it. To just kind of summarize, nanotechnology is the manipulation of atoms and molecules. Gives a whole nother perspective. When I think back, last time I really focused and learned about atoms and molecules was either in my high school biology course, which I still remember and was excellent, and also in my college environmental science courses. And that was a long time ago. That was years and years ago, and haven't really thought about it since. So we need to also look at other technologies related to all this. For example, look at nano drones that could be used for surveillance as well as targeted killings. Nanobots could be swarming and could be difficult to detect. And basically, we have a new Cold War, according to Del Monte. So one big question that we have that concerns us for our course: will terrorists be able to get a hold of nanoweapons? And what about accidents or staged attacks that lead to defensive maneuvers? And what about artificial intelligence and self-replicating smart nanobots? Again, we don't have a lot of information in the public due to the secrecy and classified information regarding nanotechnology. And what Del Monte recommends basically is that we have international conventions and treaties in this emerging area. And so certainly something to consider as we discuss technology and terrorism. Thank you.